They are Buckingham Palace gonna look for the Queen, but Queen's having to wait. Lambo. Go the Lambo, pressing on that. Yeah. What's up guys? Back at it again. Last week we did some video, but I don't want the Westminster Square and Buckingham Palace and them places where the battery finished, so I have to come back on it today again. To the London Eye. But first let me show you the Thames. It's on the other side of the Thames now. See the Westminster there now? That's the big house, all of the decision making there. So America them have the White House. It's a full White House over here, so now. It's a England White House. See the Big Ben there under construction. Yeah. Now this is the London Eye. You can pay to go up on top of it. About an hour it takes to go around. So you go up on top of that, you can see everything in London. Everything in London. Park Plaza Hotel over there, so. This is our hospital, Westminster. Yeah. Alright. So now come up though. It's a Westminster Bridge. Westminster Bridge. Lead on to Parliament Square. I'm going to take a look. I look for Mandela. See the London Big Ben there. Remember when Tiger said, when the clock in London name Big Ben? See that? The time we are youth and we are here about all of something, you know, we are so rotted. But one day if I choose Tiger talk about, you know, I will just sing this song, we don't really know what we want to sing. So we know the words and we just sing. Man in skirt. Yeah, all of the decision make over this. Oh, Irish music in my play now. Sorry, I need it for that side to catch you in that skirt. That skirt they wear, you know. The London Eye, you know. Yeah. That go all the way round and round and round. You pay to go up on it. I think it's expensive to go up on it too, you know. But when you go up on that, you can see everything in London. Remember to graduate? I don't think so. The London Eye under Big Ben under his construction now. Westminster. And the government them office that now. Police headquarters around that side there too. I believe them say 15, how much money they say? I forgot how much millions they say for refurbish this island. I want to know where they must spend so much money for though. They think I know they must fix it? So off of Westminster Bridge now, that leaves you right in a Parliament Square. Yeah. Yeah, around there, so the police headquarters there. And you see right there, so now, one of the time, I went out, and last year or a year before last year, when them all, we have a terrorist attack over here. And right here, set up the exact spot. It's over the government place, them are work over there now. Can't go over there, saying Westminster Underground train station, underground. Yeah, right, that's where I did that. And then jump over here. Alright. So them building I make more than how much? Hundreds of years now, you know. Hundreds of years. Hundreds. And now they got something I make. Alright, so from Westminster Bridge, they're right into Parliament Square. This is the front. Alright, that's the front guys. The sun in this. Yeah. Westminster. Now guys, see Sir Winston Churchill. Now Winston Churchill used to be the Prime Minister of the UK. He was the one who beat off Hitler. He has to see for Hitler and beat him. Most famous Prime Minister ever run in the UK. Sir Winston Churchill. Now, see full man over there so now. Mandela, I go check Mandela and see him go out with. He good in idea. It's a Parliament Square. Parliament Square. David Lloyd George. I don't know who he's supposed to be now. But from in there, so him big. Who this now? Who him supposed to be now? John Christian Smith, 1870 to 1950. My God, he not live long. 80? He's gone already. Next one, I link, go boy. Courage calls for courage to return. Link Mandela. Gandhi, great Gandhi. Yeah man. So link Mandela, so Mandela about. See the big man, yeah? See the big man, yeah? Michael Manley. You know Michael Manley? Mandela means sorry. Mandela is a Michael Manley, you know. You know? Right in the Parliament Square. And since he's dead, them put him out the door. You know, before. Alright. Alright guys, I'm going to cut the video here so now. I'm going to go over where the Prime Minister lives. I just run the corner still. I hear somebody want to do the other day, you know, with the camera. Video, the battery finished on it. So I'm saying, I'll come back up here today again. Police lady there. King Charles Street. Policeman there guard the place. I link the Prime Minister, see if him over there. And that's still up as the Prime Minister live. Boris Johnson. This is what they put up in respect of all of the men that were dead in the war, man and woman were dead in the war. That's a one. The next one up there, so. Them guard off the Prime Minister house. So nobody cannot cross it. I'm going to go Buckingham Palace in the too, you know. I'm going to get to do what I do. Quick and done. And next we can take it to Buckingham Palace. Alright, over here so the Prime Minister live now. Downing Street. See the sign there? So this is a full White House. The full White House, you see that? Secure police always there. See so much police over there, sir? That's just the front. That's the front. Keep entrance clear. Yeah, over there is the Prime Minister. Nobody cannot cross it. Alright. In memory of all of the people who were dead in the war, man and woman. See there? World War II. See there? Put respect on them. See it? Put respect on them. Yeah. Put respect on them. Alright guys, just finished Parliament Square, Westminster. The Prime Minister house just there now. So I'm gonna do what I have to do and try to reach Buckingham Palace today. Alright, respect. Remember, share, like, subscribe. And again, tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you can't be good, just be careful, alright? Love, respect. Alright guys. Finish doing me I don't know and say walk come around and Buckingham Palace. Come see if I see the Queen. Alright. See there? That's a green park. Nice. Yeah. That's a green park. The Queen Park. They were Buckingham Palace there now. But I'll go around at the front. A park I bring back memories. Remind me when I just come to England. I used to work just across up there, so. A green park, Victoria. And the time I used to come in that park, I used to come have lunch. Eat my lunch, buy my lunch, carry come in, I used to come eat it. And I can't believe I'm there near Buckingham Palace, so we always hear about. Yeah. That's the Queen place. Queen place. I go right over there. Woo. So the Queen Road pretty. Yeah man. See the Queen front yard pretty. Man, let me tell you. Good people. Alright, watch him man, watch the guard changing gun. I miss him. Alright, see him change, you know. Man, they start this off with hours, you know. See if we can catch it. See they are change. Queen's Guard. They're pretty, man.
Hard, baby.
All people look and see it and see the Queen. Oh, what a big one. I go up on the step to see if I can get a full view. Oh. Queen home, sir. Buckingham Palace. But I want to kill St. Peter touch bunch of listen Buckingham Palace. Nothing like that. That will never happen. Yeah, man. Lambo. Go the Lambo. Pressing on that. See if I catch a Lambo. Lamborghini. A Lambo. Yeah, man, honest. Lamborghini. I think though it's pretty still, you know? Press off the Lambo. One. They are Buckingham Palace gonna look for the Queen, but Queen's having to wait a little. She do something, she not wake up good yet, so she'll get ready. So I just wait to go see the Queen. Alright, so I'm park over there so look nice too, you know. Yeah, the Queen's having to wait a little. So I just go and wait. Yeah. You know, I said that road they walk. Hold on, which part is it? I'm gonna say that road they dropped me right back out in Trafalgar Square, you know. See that? Right in Trafalgar Square that drop. I want to know they're pretty though, that's all I can say about it. And keep the place Queen place nice and pretty. So that's Buckingham Palace, guys. But I love it because I get to go over there, but me not so special. I change the cards, I'm not change now. What if I change? Yeah. Look, I'll get pics of them. Change the cards. Yeah, change, I'm not change. Yo. Got you on video and saying this way.
That was
you want a photo with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll go over this side.